let's take a look at how we can model this handle. So my first impression was that we can probably model out a simple cuboid for the main body and then make a loft for the handle. But it would really be challenging to achieve a seamless curved exterior shape. I then started to ask myself, is there an overall shape here? Turns out that there is. The starting shape is simply a cuboid with some large fillets. I have prepared a sketch here to trim out the starting shape of the handle. Use this sketch to perform an extruded cut. If you look from the side, the handle has a slot cut in the middle. We can perform a lofted cut from this face to a slot sketch in the middle. I have prepared a slot sketch on the front plane. In order to make this face flat, the bottom edge of the slot coincides with this edge. Additionally, I have also projected the same slot sketch on a plane that is slightly offset from the front plane. This extra sketch makes it easier to control the flow of the loft. Go to Create, Loft. Select this face as a first profile. Let's hide the solid body. Select this sketch as a second profile. Finally, select this sketch as a third profile. Let's bring back the solid body. Upon doing that, Fusion recognizes that we are doing a cut. You can see that there are some weird faces being created. You can try adjusting the connectors, but in this case I was not able to get rid of the faces. Do let me know if there's a better way to do this. A way to get rid of the face is to simply select and delete. Go to Create, Mirror. Set object type to Features. Select the extruded cut, the lofted cut, and the delete face. For mirror plane, click on the select box and select the front plane. In this case, I had to use the Adjust Compute type for it to mirror properly. Lastly, we can add in fillets.